Hey everyone, the Blackview W90 Pro feels like a smartwatch designed for people who want toughness, contemporary features, and a little personality on their wrist. From the moment you take it out of the box, you get the impression that this isn't just another inexpensive wearable, but rather a gadget that attempts to blur the line between rugged gear and a stylish accessory. At first glance, the design stands out because the watch looks solid, heavy-duty, and purposeful. The display is shielded from scratches by a Gorilla Glass GLC panel within the metal case, but the strap is the main topic of conversation. The entire metal bracelet that comes with the watch gives it a striking, nearly jewel-like appearance. The look may seem ostentatious to some, but distinctive to others. Fortunately, a traditional silicone strap is also available, and many users will likely swap to it for comfort and reduced weight. A magnetic charger, paperwork, and a tool for changing the metal bracelet's links are all included in the package. Additionally, the watch is not small. It is quite noticeable at 14.4 millimeters thick, so be ready for a bulky gadget on your wrist. One of the W90 Pro's most striking features is its screen, a 1.43-inch panel with a 466 by 466 resolution, and a smooth refresh rate of 60 Hz is included. These features are typically absent from less expensive smartwatches. Even direct sunshine won't wash out the display because it has a brightness of up to 600 nits. One of the W90 Pro's greatest advantages is its long battery life. A 900 mAh battery, which is enormous for a smartwatch, is located inside. You can anticipate using a single charge for around a whole week with normal use, including notifications, active sensors, exercise, and maximum brightness. It's the kind of endurance that makes you forget about chargers, whether you're traveling or have a hectic week. It takes roughly 2.5 hours to fully charge. In terms of intelligence, the W90 Pro aims to provide everything that the majority of customers require on a daily basis. Whether you're hiking off-road or strolling through the city, the built-in GPS precisely maps your journeys. Heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, and sleep tracking are all part of health monitoring, while the compass aids in navigation. For those who spend a lot of time at their desks, there are also mild reminders to keep moving, drink water, and take breaks. The watch's many sports modes, which range from cycling and running to golf and swimming, will appeal to fitness aficionados. Bluetooth is used for connectivity, and the watch easily connects to your smartphone. The watch's integrated speaker and microphone allow you to answer calls right on the device. For a low-cost device, the audio quality is surprisingly clear, making it simple to make fast calls without picking up your phone. Apps, messengers, and social networks all send out notifications instantly. Pre-programmed SMS responses, music control, and weather predictions add even more convenience. All things considered, the Blackview W90 Pro succeeds in being a tough, fashionable, and incredibly useful smartwatch with a strong display and an amazing battery life. It strikes a balance between robustness and contemporary features, giving it a dependable companion whether you're training, traveling, or just keeping in touch all day. The W90 Pro is one of those gadgets worth keeping an eye on, even if you don't intend to purchase it right away, especially when deals start to show up. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.